Lying wide awake, I can't sleep tonight. Staring at the ceiling like a restless child. Cause you're running around telling all these lies. You're telling all these lies, boy.
So for the past 6 months, I have been suggesting Oppo Enco M31 to everyone who is looking to buy a budget Bluetooth neckband earphone. In fact, someone recently asked me over on Instagram the same question. Which one is the best neckband Bluetooth earphone to buy under Rs 2500? And the answer was same, Oppo Enco M31. So on return, he asked, is that all? And right at that moment, it hit me that I have not actually reviewed this particular earphone in this channel. So let's do that now. So in this video, let's clear once for all why Oppo Enco M31 is still the best option to consider in its class. Okay, my name is Parth, you're watching Infopel, and let's roll the intro. Now when it comes to build quality, Oppo Enco M31 is a mixed bag. Some of the segments does look really premium like the ear pistons and the neck band itself. However, some of the parts does give a cheap feeling like the glossy buttons and the flexible wires. Although saying that, the buttons do feel tactile, and overall I would say the build quality is decent, and if you take care of the plastic parts, it will last you for quite a long time. But it is definitely not the best built in this segment. I would give that to OnePlus Bullet Z. The neckband itself is really good in terms of how it feels on the skin. It is also fairly lightweight. The earphone comes with various sizes of rubber tips, and combined with the brittle shaped design, it is actually relaxing to use for long hours. Connection wise, it has Bluetooth 5.0. I had no issues with the connection. In fact, it is really impressive how fast it connects. It barely takes a second. However, I do miss the dual pairing option, and I feel like common sense in every Bluetooth earphone and headphone should have that feature. Although I am glad that it comes with the magnetic power control. No, not that magnetic. It means that if you attach the buds, it will terminate the connection and pause the music, and it will restore the connection once they are detached. Although it does not resume the playback, but this feature itself is a lifesaver. The battery life is just like my fitness, below average. It claims to have a battery life of 12 hours with normal format music playback and 8 hours with the LDAC format. In my usage, I got around 6 hours of playback because I was mostly using LDAC with my Pixel 4a with around 70 to 80% volume. So you see, it is little short of expectation. Although it does come with USB Type-C, but sadly, it does not support any kind of fast charging.
Okay, time for testing the mic quality. So the usual stuff, I have called to my second number and this call is being recorded over there. And to avoid any interference, I've kept the second phone in other room. This will give you an idea about the microphone of this particular earphone while you are using it for a call. Also to give you a brief idea about the surroundings, windows are open and there is a fan running overhead. So this will give you an idea about the background noise cancellation when using this particular earphone. Anyway, let me know what you think about the mic quality. Back to the review.
Now let's talk about the reason why I am suggesting everyone this particular earphone. Because they paid me. No, jokes apart, the sound quality is phenomenal. To start with, the earphone is tuned for a more classy sound signature. Obviously, having LTAC helps in providing more room to the music you are listening to, but those excess information, if not tuned properly, will only enhance the shortcomings. And that is where this earphone excels. The beats are crisp and tight, although it does not bring out much information in the sub-bass region, but the clarity it provides in the upper bass makes up for it. The lower end also does not interfere with the vocals. Vocals stay isolated with a natural sound and great details. In fact, I can compare it with any wired earphone in this price segment, and if I have to get better vocals, then I probably have to go for Blonde BL03, which I reckon the best wired in-ear earphone under Rs 3000. The highs also have a great instrument separation and clarity. It has a similar sparkle like the Sennheiser CX275S, although it does not have the similar resolution, but it does have similar excitement in the music. It also has something called bass up mode, which I am not a big fan of. It takes away the attack and the punch in the upper bass in order to boost the entire lower end. It also bleeds into the lower mids and eats away the clarity in the bass vocals. I hope it has use for certain cases, but I mostly ignored it. The soundstage is also comparable to any earphone, be it Bluetooth or wired. I would not say it is as good as KZ ZST-X, which I reviewed few days back, but for a Bluetooth earphone, it has quite a wide soundstage with accurate imaging. The only thing I would say might bug someone is the fact that this earphone does not get very loud. It was ample for me because I mostly listen to at 70 to 80% volume, but for someone who wants more volume, this might crave you for a little more. Okay, final thoughts. I have tested many earphones and headphones, and there are only a few of them which actually punches above its price. This one does. And the neckband Bluetooth earphone options that we have available in the market, it is fair to say it is the best option not only under Rs 2000, but it would give run for its money for anything under 4000 INR. If you want a better sound quality, you have to go wired, but that is not what we are talking about here. So if you want a neckband Bluetooth earphone and your budget is around Rs 2000 and you want the best sound quality, then Oppo Enco M31 is the best option you have. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you have any queries or suggestions, feel free to use the comment section below. Until next time, this is Parth signing off for InfoPal. You guys stay safe, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.